Hello everyone, I am Penny. Today I will explain how to use the AutoCount AutoBank Reconciliation Plugin version 2.0. As is known, the purpose of Bank Recon in AutoCount is to help you ensure that the ledger balance in AutoCount matches the bank balance amount. Usually go to the bank to print out the bank statement, then go back to AutoCount and compare each transaction one by one. After comparing, you tick them off. If the company has many transactions, it will be very tiring and it will be difficult for you to do the matching. It might take you up to a week, or if there are staff who key in the wrong date or amount, checking back would also be very difficult, causing you to spend more time. If you use our plugin, we will help you save a lot of time because we will do suggestion matching, full matching, and even partial matching. Currently, compared to version 1.1, our version 2.0 has added more definitions for matching. In the previous version, we only matched three things: amount, date, and description. The description captures your AutoCount company name, which often leads to mismatches with the bank statement description because bank statements usually don't show your name. We need to use more fields for matching. If it's relatively high, it will prioritize doing the matching first. For example, if your time and your amount are the same with 2 or 3 transactions, but one has a check number, it will prioritize comparing the check number first. If it hits that keyword, it will prioritize matching that transaction. Without further ado, let's go into AutoCount and show you how to operate it.
Now that we are in AutoCount, the first thing we need to do is set its settings. On the left side are the AutoCount bank accounts, and on the right side is the PDF template. Here, I advise you to set a default bank template for each bank account. Currently, our bank template supports these types. If your bank is not on this list, you can give us the bank statement and we will add it. One thing to note is that the PDF template, even if there are many types, such as some are SDN BHG, some are enterprise, some are personal, and some might be tax. So each format is different. If you are not sure which one you have, you can double click this image to check if your template matches ours. If it doesn't match, you can provide your bank statement. The second tab is for Excel. If you are using our Excel template, you can ignore this setting. The third one is the date setting. The date setting means that if your OR or PV and your bank statement are within 3 days, it is considered an auto matching. If it is more than 4 days, it will remind you and tell you that it is 4 days. You can decide whether to match it. It will also give a reminder. If you set it to 7 days here, the data it captures might not be accurate. So it's best not to set too many days here. After we finish the settings, we will start working on our bank record. So in the bank record, we have customized 3 different buttons. The first one is to load the bank statement. You can choose to load your bank statement. After doing it, you can see on the left side the AutoCount transactions, on the right side your bank statement transactions, and below are the unmatched transactions. If you look above, if they are matched, they will form a row for your reference. If there are unmatched records below, you can also press our quick create ARAP payment, cash book, or a journal. If you use our button, we will try to fill in the description, amount, and date. Only need to select your debtor. But if you can see, the description is actually the company name from AutoCount, which is the debtor's name. If there are some where the bank statement description is the same as your company name, it will even help you select the debtor code. Then you just need to save it. After saving, you can press a refresh button. You can first see this below, 9925.61, and after refreshing, it will do a matching above. Then is for those white records, the system thinks that if it uses auto, it might make a mistake. It will give you a suggestion on how to proceed. At this time, you need to handle it according to our advanced match. These records above are the unmatched records. Below are the system suggestions for you. If you really want the system to automatically do all the matching for you, you can directly press the auto match remaining button and it will help you match all the records. For example, you can see that the records below must first compare the amount from the bank statement with the transaction amount in AutoCount. For instance, if your bank statement doesn't have a record of 359.42, then nothing will be displayed below. If you press auto match remaining, it won't perform any matching either. However, regarding the 24,000, I am doing the sample for you to see. This 24,000 It actually has 4 things that match: description, check number, the date is off by 2 days, don't match, and then its amount is matched. 3 things match, but the date doesn't match. Then this is a duplicate record. Its check number is empty, meaning what actually matches are its description, its amount, and its date. This date is off by 2 days based on your settings there. So if your settings are within 3 days, this auto match remaining will also automatically help you match records within 3 days. So it shows up like this. Because this record has 3 things that are the same as the bank statements record, it will prioritize comparing this record first. So when you press auto match remaining, it will first do a matching with this OR and then match the rest. If this doesn't match, it will show in white. You can see that when I press it, this OR22 will show white because there are no records matching it anymore. Now I will show you some more common example. For example, this CIMB bank has a good sample because on the same day, it has the same amount. When this situation occurs, like the description, date and amount collide, it actually won't automatically do a matching for you. You see, it can't match. You have to rely on this advanced match to match. If you're really lazy, you can directly use this auto match remaining to match. Because there's a auto match remaining will prioritize matching those with the same similarity first, and then the remaining ones have a lower similarity. But even if the similarity is low, there still needs to be a similarity for it to match. For example, why didn't this record match? You can go in and check. Oh, it says different in outside. If it's different in outside, even if your amount matches and the description matches, it still won't do an auto match for you. The reason is that when the system extracts your bank statement data, it might think this is an OR, not a PV, but you did it in PV, so it will show in red. So at this point, you need to manually do a matching and then save it. Now I will show you how to upload the Excel bank template. You use our Excel bank template. Actually, you don't need to adjust your settings because we already have some default data in it. So you just need to select the Excel template we provided and load it directly. And you need to pay attention to the Excel bank template. It is in reverse order. Because if the bank is credit, your Excel should be debit. It's the opposite direction. You can also see now, for example, if I write debit here, actually your Excel is credit. You need to pay attention to this. Due to the different perspectives, when you upload, it should also be in the opposite direction. If you have any questions, you can contact me. My phone number is 014-604-14218. Thank you, everyone.